Next video we're going to do is a huge airdrop. It's called Bitflexo. First thing we're going to do is click on the Google form. So let's click on that Google form. It will bring you to this page here. First thing you're going to want to do is register on Bitflexo.com. So let's do that. So you'll come to this page, you'll put your name in here, your email address, your password, and your password over here. Make sure you have all your right password in. They want a couple extra things. You're going to click here, and then you're going to hit submit. And then you're going to go to your email. They're going to send you an activation code into your email. You're going to click on your activation code. Then you're going to come to this page. You're going to put in your email. It might already be in there, and your password. And then hit submit. And then when you get in here, you can see the exchange. Do not click on take part in the airdrop. What you're going to do is you're going to go back to the original page, which is the same form, because on the original application it should have the referral code on your page, and the referral code should be and that should be on your page already, because you're going to get an extra 10 coins doing that. So make sure that's in there, because that's like an extra like 6 to 10 bucks just for that. And then it says the next thing you're going to do is join the Telegram official channel. So you're going to join that. Open that up on desktop, join group. And when you're in the join group, you're going to type in this code, which is 11. They want you to type in. Make sure you put that equation in, otherwise you'll get kicked out of the group. It says right here, solution to the equation. They want to make sure everybody's doing this properly. Then we'll go back to the Google form again. We'll click on the next one here. We're going to open that on Telegram in the desktop. We're going to join the channel. So we joined the channel. Then next we're going to go to Twitter. We're going to follow. Right here, click on follow. We're going to come down here, we're going to like this, and then we're going to retweet the pinned post right here. We're going to retweet right here. So these should be highlighted. We're going to go back to the airdrop page. We're going to click on Reddit. It says this one's optional, but 30 is like quite a bit. That's like 15 bucks, maybe $20. Click on Reddit. And then when you get to their page, you're going to go to follow down here. Then next, we're going to go back to the airdrop page. You're going to put in your account on your exchange. You're going to paste that into there. You're going to go down to your Telegram username. And you're going to copy and paste your Telegram username into here. Then you're going to put your Twitter username in. They want the @ sign in front of all of these. So make sure you put your proper names in with the @ sign as well. And then it wants the Reddit username. And it says with an @ sign, so we'll put that in the front. We'll put @ whatever your Reddit username is. Make sure your form's filled out properly before you hit submit. Then you're going to go down and you're going to hit submit. One more thing before we hit submit here, just so you can read up in the top of the airdrop. It says it's going to send it right to your register form on your exchange. So all these coins will go right to your exchange. Right here, reward will be credited to the account of the exchange. So that's the end of this airdrop. It's worth $60. It's well worth it. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're going to have lots of these coming up. And also make sure my referral code's in there. And it's worth, like I said, an extra $10. And then we're going to hit submit. Hit submit. And it's off. Your response has been recorded. And it should be in the exchange in probably 2 to 8 weeks.